Hey everyone, I am Masala Emanuel, and today I am going to show you the game that I created, which is the Mini Militia with the guidance also of our instructor. So for this one, when you open it, this is the first scene that you will going to see. It has the play, customize, the settings, about, and quit. And then if you click all of these buttons, it has also the sound effects or the mouse sound effects, and then the customized settings and about it has, as of now, it has no functionality. And if you click the quit, it will exit the game. And then if play, it will take you to the scene to which you have to choose either survival or training. For example, so as you can see, pag i-split na to tong quit, mawala ang game. And then, pag i-play na tong balik, so here, makita ninyo akong gi-mentioned earlier, which you have to choose either the training or survival. So for example, piliun nimo ang training, as of now wala siya functionality. Mo take lang siya or it will take you to the another scene, just a plain scene nga training lang jud siya pero wala siya yung functionality. And then, as you can see, we have here the upper button, the back button. So, pag i-click na to na siya, mubalik siya atong first scene, katong mga buttons, katong options, the play, quit, and so on. So, pag i-play na to ng survival, which is the exciting part of this project, makita ninyo I will explain later the functionality. But for now, I am going to show you how this survival works. So based sa tong kanina game, so you can see, maka-encounter ka as a player, you will encounter 5 enemies and then it will shoot you with sound effects because I added sound effects like a gun, and then until you are dead. Note that it has 5 lives for the enemies. It has 5 lives, and then the avoidance distance is 2, and the avoidance distance is 2. And every time the enemy or the enemy kills you, it will also record your score. So for the player, you have only 3 lives. So if the enemy shoot you 5 straight strikes, you will lose another life, meaning you have only 2 lives until such time it will become 0. So every time mamatay ka, nanapod kay 2, and then another one. So until such time na wala na kay life. And then, so every time you lose a life, it has a countdown until 5. Katong makita ninyo siya. And then you will see a respawn again. And as you can hear, every time you shoot also, the enemy, it has audio effects, like same, it is a gun effects. And if you kill the enemy, it has explosion, the sound effects, and sprite one, katong murag bomb or katong fire explosion to make it realistic. So if the enemies kill you, meaning you have no lives, it will display right after your death the panel, which is this one. And as you can see, it displays your current kills, the previous, and then if new record ba ni siya. Then again, it has the quit game and then the play game na siya. For example, this one, pag i-play na to ang quit game, again, mubalik siya sa Scene 2, which ikaw nga player, kailangan ka mamili, it's either survival or training. Mag-play na